hot Cheeto dust. I sang the ordination song for Vito on the bus. I scrubbed my palms with hot Cheeto dust. I sang the ordination song for Vito on the bus. Draped in Hong Kong polyester, sang the wrong songs among the throngs of court jesters. I scribbled words on the walls of my mother's house, post-it note aesthetics in lieu of breadcrumbs trailed about. Then my tone deepened, but first my voice cracked. I had a banner, but no courage found the hoist that. They came to every rap show, I tried to act nicer. It was easier to hide in the corner and read Jack Spicer. Then your favorite rapper lets you down one more time. Then your favorite rapper lets you down one more time. Then your favorite rapper lets you down one more time. Then your favorite rapper lets you down.